I've got a Yale lock that was sent to me by my good friend Javid in England. When I received it, I didn't have a key for it, so I did impression a key. This is the bitting on the key. Okay, the lock does work. This is a 6-pin Yale lock. Put it in the vise and open it up this morning, see what kind of pins Javid has put in the lock. Okay, let's use top of the keyway. Let's go ahead and see if we can start at the very back. Try a different pick. That one is not feeling very good. Okay, let's go to the back. All springy. Okay, number 1, give us just a little bit of a false set. Number 6, give us a little bit more. Number 5 moved a little. Number 6, number 5 moved just a little more then, I believe. Number 3 feels like it's set. So does number 2. Okay, got just a little bit more false set out of number 3 then. I think we dropped a pin. Okay, got a false set back on number 3. Number 2 feels like it's set. There we go. We've got it open. At least we still got it. There it is. Dropped the tension wrench, but we opened it. Set number 1. Number 2 at last. Alright, since we have the key and this clip on the back is a little bit hard to remove, I'm going to lock it back up. So we can get the clip off. Well, I'm always having problems with these clips. It's moving some, so it's starting to come out, I hope. Now, Alright, there it goes. Okay, let's see what kind of pins we have in this lock. Okay, let's see if we can get a close-up of it. Number 1 is standard, 2 is a standard pin, 3 standard, 4 standard, 5 is standard, and number 6 is standard. Okay, see what we got in the top. Number 1 is a standard top pin. Number 2 is a serrated type pin. A little serration at the top and bottom of the pin. Okay, number 2 and 3 are the same type of pin as number 3 and 4. Okay, number 5 is the same type of pin as 2, 3, 4, and 5 are the same. And drop the pin out. Okay, that is a standard upper pin. So what we have is all standard pins in the bottom. A standard pin in number 1 on the upper pin. The others are a serrated type pin at the top and bottom. And the 6th one is also a standard upper pin. Alright, I appreciate Javid sending me this Yale lock from England. Good friend of mine, so check out his YouTube channel. He usually replies on my videos as I do his, so you can find him on my at the bottom of my page. So appreciate it. Please do not do anything illegal. Please stay out of trouble. Have a nice day, and I hope that people in the Northeast is not hurt too bad by this nor'easter. Thank you for your time.